Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that will get you a Hostgator discount of up to 66% off, plus a free domain name on annual plans or domain name discount for non-annual plans. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount of up to 66% off, click the link below in the description, and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me walk you through the steps of getting the Hostgator discount using our exclusive Hostgator promo code. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the Hostgator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator plans page. You'll see 3 different plans: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll actually be able to get up to 66% off for each of these plans by using our exclusive Hostgator promo code, which I'll cover next. Go ahead and choose the plan that you would like by clicking the Buy Now button to proceed to the next step. I'm going to choose the Hatchling plan for this tutorial. Next, scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with CUPID60 to apply the Hostgator coupon code offer of up to 66% off. Next, scroll up to choose a hosting plan. Under billing cycle, you will see the Hostgator discount listed for the length of time you could purchase Hostgator hosting for. As you can see, you will get the greatest discount of 66% off on the 12-month term. Keep in mind, if you choose one of the other plans besides the Hatchling plan, the discounted amount will be a little different. All 3 plans do offer the 66% off coupon code for the 12-month term. For all the annual plans, such as the 12-month, 24-month, and 36-month terms, you'll get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms, such as the 1-month, 3-month, or 6-month terms, you'll get a domain name discount. Enjoy your Hostgator promo code discount to get up to 66% off Hostgator web hosting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.